2005 Honda Odyssey Touring engine swap. I should have started earlier, but I figure I'll start now. I took the radiator out so far, the alternator, the air compressor, and the Cadillac converter there. Alternator and stuff goes there. Cadillac converter, motor mount, and the radiator and fan condenser. So far is what I got out. I should have started from the beginning to give you all a better look at things, but from this moment on, I'm gonna start and I'm gonna make a second video. But this is up to the point that I got now, so when I start back up, I'm gonna start the recording again fresh. It's the motor mount, the front end, air compressor, radiator, alternator, Cadillac converter, and one fan and two fans. So when I start back up, I'm gonna continue the video and give it to you all.